Video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an email address and create a clickable link in Canva. Hyperlinking is a useful feature that allows users to connect text directly to an email address, making it easy for someone to contact you instantly with just a click. Whether you're designing a digital flyer, a newsletter, or an online resume, this skill is incredibly handy and can make your work look more professional and interactive. To begin, click on the text within your Canva design that you'd like to turn into an email hyperlink. Make sure the text is relevant to the email you plan to link, such as your name, a company contact, or a phrase like "contact me." Clicking on the text activates it for editing. Once the text is selected, you'll notice a toolbar appearing either above the text or at the top of the Canva interface. Look for the three dots. These open up additional formatting options beyond the basic font and size settings. Click on the three dots to reveal more tools. From this expanded menu, find the link option represented by a small chain link icon. Click on the icon and a small dialog box will appear where you can enter your desired hyperlink. In this dialog box, type in your email address carefully. To make it function properly as a mail link, be sure to include the prefix mail to colon before your email address. For example, type mail to colon your name at example.com. This ensures that when someone clicks the link, it automatically opens their email client with your address pre-filled. Double check for any spelling mistakes to avoid broken links. Once you're confident everything looks correct, press the enter key or click outside the box to confirm your input. Your text is now linked and ready to use. Before finishing, click on the Done button to finalize your changes. This small step is crucial. It ensures the hyperlink is fully saved and functional. If you skip it, the link won't be active when your design is downloaded or shared. And that's it. You've successfully created a clickable email link in Canva. This simple addition makes your design not only visually appealing, but also highly functional, allowing viewers to reach you effortlessly. Remember, the more you practice adding hyperlinks, the easier it becomes to connect your designs with real-world communication tools. Experiment with linking websites, phone numbers, or social media pages next to expand your Canva skills even further. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.